Hello and welcome to another Richland Community Library Take and Make craft tutorial. Today we will be making tissue paper flowers. Before we begin, I would like to draw your attention to the description box below the video, in which you will find written instructions as well as link of supplies. Without further ado, let's begin. In your kit you will have received 3 floral wires, as well as 3 stacks of tissue paper to make 3 flowers. You will also need a pair of scissors. Begin by lining up your tissue layers in the color order that you wish your flowers to have. I start with green for the leaves, purple and blue for the petals, and I use the smaller orange piece for the center. Using the paper clip that came in the kit, I line up the left side of all of the tissue paper before I begin to fold. I then am going to turn it away from me and begin to accordion fold all of the layers of tissue paper. Once all my layers are folded, I'm going to unfold them and carefully remove the stacks from each other. You want to keep the colored paper together, but remove them from on top of each other. Then, working with each color, I'm going to gather them up again, and using my scissors, I'm going to cut their edges. The edges can be cut whatever design you please. For the center, I'm going to cut little slits so that it has more of a wispy effect. For the petals, I'm going to cut more of a smooth round edge. And for the leaves, I'm going to cut more of a pointed edge. After my edges are cut, I'm going to then place the paper back on top of each other, lining up the folds, and fold it together once more. Then take your floral wire and up and around through the center. You're going to kind of pinch it in the center of your tissue paper so that there's roughly an even amount on both sides. The pinching might take some maneuvering, and then you're going to twist the wire together underneath. This is going to give you the stem of your flower. Begin to fan out your flower, and then take each individual piece of tissue paper, starting at the top, and lift and pull it and fluff it. To begin with, it's going to be a little tricky, especially in the center because the tissue is very delicate. But if you start to pull and fluff it, the more you progress down the levels, the easier it's going to become, and the more it's going to start to look like a flower. When you get to the final level of tissue paper, the very last row of leaves, you're going to do a final kind of fluff and zhuzh of your flower until it is nice and full. And there you have it, tissue paper flowers.